Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily add a weather widget to your Android desktop screen. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also write your comments after watching. So friends, let us get started with this topic. First of all, you will need to find widgets to manage them. How to do that? You will need on your Android device to tap and hold on an empty field where there are no apps. It goes like this. You press, you hold. And as you can see, you'll get a menu like this at the bottom with various widgets, screensavers, and so on. Click on the Widgets section. You'll either need to find the weather in the list, which you'll see, or you can find it in the search box by typing in the word weather. Or you can find it in the system settings, like I have. When you find the weather, I'm sure it will be the same on your device as it is on mine. For example, several options of what the weather might look like. Then choose the one you like best and click Add. As you can see, this way the weather will be added. Now you can click and drag this widget to wherever you would like it to go. Like this. To save your changes, you just have to click on the blank screen. And now, as you can see, all the changes on your Android desktop screen are committed and you have a weather widget added. Friends, this is the quick and easy way you can add weather widget to your Android device's desktop screen very easily. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.